Hi Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back on your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of May 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Aquarius, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for the month of May 2021. Also, Aquarius, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aquarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month. So let's look at into your person energy here, Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign here, Aquarius, I'm getting a very strong fire energy. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So you could have any of those energy, or your person could have any of those energies in that chart. Now looking at your energy here, Aquarius, I've got the Page of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Three of Cups energy coming up here. So it's quite interesting because I've got Three of Cups coming up here for both of you here, Aquarius, for you and your person. So with this Three of Cups energy here, I'm getting a very strong third party energy here from both sides, from your side as well as from your person side here. But again, this third party situation, like I always say, does not necessarily have to be another person. This could be talking about karmic situation, a karmic contract, for example, like a toxic friend, toxic family members, or just something like an addiction, smoking, drinking, all of those included. So the main thing that I've got here is that with this Three of Cups energy coming up here, I've also got the King of Wands energy coming up here, Aquarius. So this is going to be for a very specific group of people here, Aquarius. Some of you are still a little bit stuck on your ego, stubbornness, as well as the hot temper energy, I would say here. Some of you here, Aquarius, still unable to forgive your person, or still unable to release the frustration or release the anger that you have within your person, I would say here, Aquarius. So I do definitely understand that you might have been hurt, deceptive, and going through deception or manipulation here, but you're still like harboring the pain, harboring the pain, the hurt, basically like the ego based energy, almost like an anger energy, I would say here. Anger, sadness, frustration, all of those energies what I'm picking up here. Yet at the same time, you also want to have the reconciliation with them. So this is kind of like conflicted. The energy is kind of like conflicted with one another here. Part of you here is feeling stressful, part of you here is feeling frustrated, and kind of like, okay, this is, see, like, I won't forgive them, I won't forgive this, I won't forgive that. But at the same time here, you're also checking up on your phone, thinking that why am I not getting any messages coming up from them. So this is what causing you to have this unbalanced energy, causing you to have this little bit of undecided energy within yourself, I would say here. And another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Aquarius, is that I've got the Five of Swords, and then I've got the Ten of Swords energy coming up here. These two energies is basically talking about feeling defeated and feeling betrayed, I would say here, Aquarius. So I can definitely understand where you are coming from here though. Some of you here have been quite hurt. Some of you here have tried to reach out to your person, try to make up things, basically like try to do anything on your power, everything on your power, I would say here, Aquarius. Some of you here was getting ignored. Some of you here, like completely like ghosted. Like you have tried everything, and then suddenly you might find out that they are with someone else, or suddenly like they are now starting to come back towards you, reaching out towards you here, but you still could not forgive them or could not release this energy here. So this is the main blockage, I would say here, or the main delay that I'm getting coming up from your energy, I would say here, Aquarius. And then I've also got the Page of Swords energy coming up here as well. So the Page of Swords energy here is talking about stalking energy. So some of you here have been trying to or wanting to contact your person, wanting to have some sort of like an communication with your person here. I'm also getting like a very strong blockage on the throat chakra here as well. There are so many things that you want to tell your person or you want to communicate with your person. Some of you here, even though you can communicate with your person, you chose not to communicate with your person. So there is a lot of hidden things, I would say here, a lot of things that you want to tell your person but you rather suppressing it within yourself. Now this is what causing the frustration energy coming up from within yourself here, Aquarius. So what I'm going to suggest for you here is that take a piece of paper or just like take a book or like a journal and just write down your thoughts, because the more you're suppressing your feelings, the more you keep on putting your feelings within yourself, it's just going to be like a time bomb and then explode one day. So it's definitely not healthy as well. And then looking at your person energy here, I've got the Three of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Siddhi or the Temperance energy coming up here. Yes, there is also a third party situation from your person energy here, but with this third party situation as well as the Temperance and the Ace of Pentacles here, I've also got the Chariot energy coming up here and the Loving Man. And the mutual energy that I've got here is that the Courage energy. So I feel like this particular third party situation from your person energy here, Aquarius, again this might not be for everyone, but I'm getting like a very strong toxic energy here. So toxic friends or toxic family members is what they're currently dealing with here. Some of them here could also be dealing with some sort of like an addiction energy. So for example, like playing too much of video games, online games, like could be like going for material things, like drinking, smoking, something like that here is what I'm getting coming up here. And then the Temperance energy coming up here is that they are at this point of time here with this Temperance energy, they are trying to work on themselves, they're trying to focusing up on themselves, I would say here, Aquarius, in a sense that they are trying to maintain the balance, especially when it comes into the emotional stuff. And then the Ace of Pentacles here, some of them here have started to look for a job, some of them here have started to like find a proper job, find a stable job here, because in the past they might not really have like a proper job at all. So they're like trying to work on themselves, trying to find a stable job. So what I'm getting coming up from your person here is that they are at this point of time here working on building up the stability for both of you in the future here, Aquarius. So they are really working to have that stability. They are really working to have that stability energy for both of you in the future here, Aquarius. So this is something that is like they are focusing on at this point of time here. And what the delay at this point of time here is that they would rather come towards you as a changed person, I would say here. So I've got the Loving Man coming up here, so they want to come towards you here, because I've also got the Chariot energy. They are definitely going to come towards you, there is no doubt on that, but they would just rather come towards you as a completely changed person, I would say here. So this is what they're currently working on here. And I do feel like with this Courage energy coming up as the center energy between both of you here, both of you are working on building up the courage to finally take that first step in to work on yourself, individually, I mean here, Aquarius, to build up the stability and to build up the foundation for both of your relationship into the future. So that's it, what I've got coming up for you here, Aquarius. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.